Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make Nigerian Chin Chin. Please, after watching, like, share and subscribe, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. The ingredients that I'll be using today are a kilo of flour, 90 grams of margarine, 3 whole eggs, 100 grams of sugar, and 200 milliliters of milk. Let's start making our dough. The first thing to add to the flour is your sugar. Mix with your whisk. Then add in your margarine and mix with your clean hands. Next, whisk your eggs and add them to the other ingredients. Lastly, pour in your milk and mix. When you are making chin chin, this is what your dough is supposed to look like. It shouldn't be too soft so that it will be easy to cut. Sprinkle some flour on your working area. Then divide the dough. Now roll it out. After rolling it out, it should not be too thin nor too thick. Then cut off the edges to make them straight. And start cutting out strips. Repeat the same step in the other direction to create tiny cubes. Here I am using a knife to cut the dough, which is an alternative to the pizza cutter. I used to use a knife for a long time before I bought this pizza cutter. So you can still get the same result with it. It's just that a pizza cutter will make it easier and faster. For the frying of the chin chin, I am using sunflower oil. Leave the oil to heat up before you pour in your chin chin. Throw in 1 cube, and if bubbles build up around it, then you know that your oil is ready for frying the chin chin. Don't forget to keep stirring to avoid them sticking to each other. Remember to fry it on medium heat. Take them out when they are golden brown. This is the final result of our chin chin. Thanks for watching. Remain blessed. Bye.